Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran. Dancehall star Skillibeng jumps into Spotify's best songs of the year so far 2024 list. Now Skillibeng has garnered attention for his feature alongside Gunna and Tyler on the hit track Jump, which has made it onto Spotify's best songs of the year so far 2024 list. The song, a standout from Tyler's album, has been a viral sensation, with its music video receiving rave reviews and accumulating over 9 million streams on YouTube. The collaboration sparked a viral dance trend, highlighting its global impact. Jump has previously topped the UK Afrobeat singles chart and secured positions on Apple Music's top 25 songs chart in cities like New York, Washington, and Kingston, further solidifying its popularity and influence. Jump, 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 jump. Love that song. Now, Baker's Mob Ties lands among the top 10 reggae albums on Apple Music. Dancehall artist Baker's Mob Ties mixtape has quickly gained traction, reaching the top 10 most streamed albums in reggae music on Apple Music. Fueled by anticipation from fans, the project surged in streaming hours after its midnight release on Thursday. Prior to its release, Baker treated fans to an exclusive listening event. Mob Ties also claimed the title of top streamed project on Apple Music in Jamaica. This early triumph adds to his growing fame and establishes him among the elite in dancehall's rising stars. Now, Thames sets new Spotify record for Nigerian female artist. The album features collaborations with the likes of J. Cole, with previously released singles including Me and You. The release comes 3 years after her last EP, If Orange Was a Place. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.